Joelle,
yeah.
I'll just comment on our big mistake.
Yeah.
You know, we're
Wasn't our mistake.
surprised.
You say that was not our mistake.
Yeah, no mistake,
Surprised.
surprise.
Where we are at with our debt, and we issued COPs, which are certificates of participation, to borrow to, one, cover our surprise, and two, to just finish the project at the high school. So that was $12 million.
Well, I don't think this would be a surprise to anybody, but we worked with St. Louis County and the inspector. We actually started moving dirt and pouring foundations before we actually even got the permit later at the end of 2020, towards November, December, I think is when we finally got that, but they were able to work with us. That's how far behind they were on the permitting process. And